Good morning, everyone. This is Classic Cars of Palm Beach, and we are going to do a walk around condition video on this 2023 Code Orange Bronco Raptor. These videos we do for out-of-state and out-of-town people that are going to buy the cars, just to assure them that there's no damages or minor damages or whatever the damages are on the vehicle. We're going to point them out. As far as I say damages, what I mean by that is little nicks and scratches or dings or anything that would upset you if you got the car and somebody didn't tell you about it. So we're going to tell you about everything on them. You see, this vehicle's like new. It's a 23. So what we do in these cars, just pretty much give you a video walk around, give you up close footage of the vehicle, because there's no damages to talk about. If I do see anything, though, I will point it out. Any nicks are... I think this vehicle only has, what is it? Yeah, it's only got 65 miles on it. So it's new. All right, so there's no stone chips or any marks at all on the front. Sometimes when they have real low miles like this, just if they were ridden on the highway one time, you know, they could have a stone chip or something, but this one does not have any. And also, by the way, if I don't cover something that you would like to know about the vehicle, just give us a call and we'll get it for you right away, all right? We thank you for watching. Have a great day.